Hello, fourth grade mathematicians. Today we are learning how to subtract mixed numbers. So if I want to subtract 3 1/4 minus 2 3/4. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my total. When I subtract, my first mixed number here is going to be my total, right? And when we subtract, we have a certain amount and we're taking away this other mixed number. So when we model this out, we only have to model our first mixed number, which is 3 1/4. So I'm going to use my manipulatives over here for my wholes. This is just going to help so when I draw them out, I can be nice and neat. So I know that I have 3 wholes here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 wholes, and 1/4. So I'm going to split these up into my fourths because I see that my denominator is in fourths. So even though these are wholes, I'm still breaking them up into my fourths when I shade them all in. So I have 3 wholes. So that means I have 3 completely shaded in. So I have 1, 2, 3 completely shaded in, and I have 1/4. Underneath each of these, I'm going to label them, but they're going to look a little bit different. I'm not going to label them with 1. I'm going to label them with 4/4 because I know that 4/4 is the same as 1 whole. I have 4 of those fourths shaded in. That's what gets me a whole. So each whole I have, I'm going to label as 4/4. And these models really help me stay nice and neat. I write them right underneath my model. So I have 4/4, 4/4, 4/4, and 1/4. Now I'm taking away 2 wholes and 3/4. So I know that each of these wholes I can also write as 4/4. So I'm going to write what I'm taking away underneath. So I'm taking away 1 whole, 2 wholes, and 3/4. And I'm writing those right underneath in order. Now I can subtract my whole thing. So I'm going to start over here. I have 4/4. I'm taking away 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves me with 0. I have 4/4 here. I'm taking away 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves me with 0. Now in this one, I have 4/4 up here. I'm taking away 3/4. So I'm going to cross off 1, 2, 3 of those fourths, and I can see that I'm left with 1/4. And you can use your math to do that as well. 4/4 minus 3/4 gets you 1/4. And then I'm not taking away anything from this 1/4. There's nothing underneath to take away, so I can just bring that down, and I get 1/4. Now I can put my answers together and I get 2/4 for my answer.